Alan Knuckman of Agora Financial joins us now for the weekly options alert. Hello to you.
Hello, Angie. The markets are still on the march. Nothing stops these markets, not North Korea, not Canada. Looks like we're just up and away.
Let's take a look at some of your trades, starting with Newmont Mining. You want to start there?
Yeah, we've got Newmont coming off the board this week. Now, we've had 8 consecutive winning trades in a row. This looks like it could break the streak. Newmont hasn't gotten moving at all. Gold is stalled at $1,300 an ounce, so not a big loss. So we'll see where we are by Friday, but we've got a $38 call, never pushed above 40, so we'll have to unwind it Friday and take a bit of a bite there.
Well, no one's 100%, and it would scare me if you
Yeah,
were
right.
actually. Twitter, huge moves, a 52-week high this week.
Right.
In that
Now,
stock.
we had exited Twitter last week with 100% profit on half and 50% profit on the other half. So we took some great money off the table. Yes, we could have made more, but a lesson we learned is you're never going to buy the low and sell the high. Take a high probability piece out of the middle, and that's what we look to do here. So we were still holding 2 other positions I want to talk about right now.
Good.
Microsoft.
Yes.
Did make new highs last week as well. We exited half the position. We still have half left. Now, it's a June 29th 95 call, so it's a deep in the money option, and we're looking for that stock to make new highs once again, so we'll see. We got plenty of time. And the other stock what we're looking at right now is the other half of Micron. So we've got some time there, and that's the beauty of buying enough time. We can let the markets fluctuate, and if they do have pullbacks, we can ride through the waves.
And your WPI trade trigger this week, taking you back to commodity world.
Right, Freeport-McMoRan. Now, copper's had a big bounce here. Now, Freeport is a stock that fell. It was up at $20, made a triple top, and dropped all the way down below $15. So smart money saw that as a good value play. Now, we bought some options there. It's a $16 calls, but get this, July 20th. So that's more than a month of time because the volatility is very, very low now compared to where we were. So we've got the holidays coming up, and a lot of times we don't want to ride through, we want to be able to ride through that
Time decay.
That time decay. Good point there. And so we have the month of time there, and we'll see if this stock can get back up to 20, but I think commodities are coming back.
Let's take a look at your trading floor takeaway, starting with S&P 3000.
Right. S&P 3000.
Not that far away.
No, not at all. Now, the broad market hasn't made new highs yet. So if we break out above 2,800, that targets 3,000 based upon this trading channel we've been in between 2,600 and 2,800. So let's remember that if it does break out here, then that targets a move of about 10% more than we are right now.
Commodity comeback.
Yes, the dollar stalled, finally. So we made a bottom in the euro currency, a top possibly in the dollar, and we saw last week new lows in crude with a unchanged weekly close. That's how bottoms get put in. We saw that in gold a couple weeks ago, and let's see if this means a bottom in crude. That could help out a lot of commodity sectors.
And finally, summer fun.
Summer fun, yep. We've got the holiday coming up. Now, after the 4th of July, earnings season starts again, and we're expecting 19% earnings growth, so we'll be back on track with our attack.
Summer fun, summer not. Thanks for being on the show.
Yes.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.